Hello, I'm Martin from Project Alf, and today I'm here with another video that's going to be this time about a new capability that we have just released. And what I'm going to talk about today is our newly released TypeScript SDK together with the APIs that we have decided to open for any user. So without further ado, I'll show you how does it work. So what we have here is the timeline of the well-known sample product called Security Titan that you know from the previous videos with all the sample tasks currently in the timeline. So what you can do in here is that when you click on these dots, there is a new option API. So when you go here, you'll see here the list of all the endpoints, what they can do and what do they do, what is their purpose, and so on and so on. So what I will show you is the quick example of how to list all the products that you have within your Project Alf and how to add a new task. Well, this kind of like also demonstrates the reason why we have decided to open it, because we want for all the users the APIs that we are internally using within the applications to be available, mostly for things like potential integrations with other task management tools like, you know, either GitHub or anything else, which are focused more on kind of like a technical usage to be able to, for example, get them into the Project Alf. So without further ado, we can hit the demonstration. So in here there is an endpoint for listing all the products that you have in there. So let's try it out. We'll hit execute and we will get here the list of the products. Well, we currently have only one. What is going to be important is the product ID. So we will copy it out. I'll close this endpoint and we will go into posting a new task. So we will try it out, and what we'll have to do is to fill the task parameters. Well, first one is the identifier. We will leave it as a 0. It will be assigned automatically. It's basically a number that is increasing in order to be unique. We will hit the task name. So we will say, for example, update left panel to be pink. Product, we'll have to hit here the product ID that we have previously copied out. Description will be sample description for pink color. Link, we will leave it empty. Well, start date we can set to, for example, tomorrow. Duration is by default is in days, so we will leave it to, for example, 5 days. Priority we can keep in the middle, so 5, that's 1 out of 10. Assignee, well, we will keep it empty. Objectives, same as well, and we will keep it state as a draft. So when we hit the execute, well, we can leave in hero. Oh, product ID. We forgot to add the product ID, and now we should have the task in our product. So let's verify that. Let's go here and we'll go to tasks, and you can see that here is the task that I have just created through the API. It has no assignee, it has no history, it has been just created right now. So this is it from my side. Thank you very much for your attention. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.